Welcome to an enchanting journey through 8 exquisite contemporary living room interior designs that beautifully marry the best of both worlds, classic decorations and modern furniture. In this video tour, you'll be introduced to a symphony of design where white walls serve as a canvas for creativity to bloom. Each living room is a masterpiece of fusion, showcasing classic decorations, thoughtfully intertwined with modern furnishings. The result is a harmonious dance that exudes a sense of warmth and elegance. Take note of the accent-colored decor that gracefully punctuates the white backdrop, infusing vibrancy into the space. Above a grand fireplace, abstract-style paintings command attention, adding a touch of artistic flair that's sure to ignite conversations. Don't forget to hit the Charlie's C's, likes button, and subscribe for more design inspiration that harmonizes the timeless elegance of classical decorations with the innovative allure of contemporary furnishings.